we pick the best members of the working class who are experienced and devoted. So where do we get the members from? We get the best. We pick the best members of the working class with the experience and devotion to the cause, the struggle. That is, the members who embrace Marxism and Marxism-Leninism, and also the members who develop revolutionary practice. So, what is the meaning of mass line and why the emphasis on being the lifeline and basic organizational method of our party? So the mass line is the strategic method of building an organic relationship between the masses and the leadership of the party. This involves taking the ideas to the masses, that is propaganda and education work. This will ensure that the masses actually own and embrace the ideas as their own, holding on to them and take action, and afterwards test the correctness of the idea in such action. This, when done repeatedly, will become more correct or vital. So this is what we call the refined theory. We put emphasis on the principles of mass work, that is to organize, agitate, and consolidate. And a good example is given to us by the peasant farmers in Gem. They have table banking and they agitate in circles. The mass line is also joining trade unions and cooperatives, like maybe the teachers and the doctors. And by so doing, we combat economism. We also practice mass line by participating in bourgeoisie elections to test our organization and combat reactionary ideas by dominant right-wing parties. This is to say that we should focus on the things that bring people together. We can also add propaganda and that resonates with the masses to this point. Maybe unemployment, over taxation, doctor strike, etc., and explain what alternative we can offer. So what are the dangers of dissent from party mass line? Sorry. So we have two dangers. We have the commandism and tailism. So the mass must understand what we understand, or else we risk commandism, which is politically and effectively issuing orders and forcing them to action. We should bring forth the will and aspiration of the masses. About tailism, that is blindly following political opinions. This means maybe maybe letting the nature take its course, while like how economists suggest that maybe the events like crisis, strikes, etc., that's how we know we can actually revolt. But in conclusion, we should not be detached from the masses. We should instead organize, mobilize, consolidate, and expand and mingle with the masses. Viva socialism, viva! Viva!